Hands. Hands.
Go, work. You got it.
Nice shot. Good shot. Come up with it.
Trip, trip. Good.
Come on, guys. Where's your wrist side? Pressure forward. You gotta tuck it tighter. Load up.
You can bring it this way. Bring it this way. Bring it this way.
All right, keep working. Come on, Kyle. Come on, take it at the elbow and keep it.
Good. Forward. Pressure. Look for it. Look for it.
Gotta get two. Short time. Come on, Kyle. Short time.
Good job, Kyle.
All right, Kyle, set up. Come on, Kyle. Step. Keep him there. Keep him there. Keep that arm. Keep it inside. Keep the arm. All right, take the wrist.
You're good. Roll it.
Hey, knee in the butt. Roll it up.
Wait for the base up. Look for it.
Drive, drive, drive.
Come on, get time. Come on, Kyle. Drop the arm and keep it. Work it up. Hey, pressure down with your elbow. Kyle. Kyle.
There you go. Yeah, rip it out. Sit to it. Sit to your hip. There we go.
Look where you're at.
Big step. His goals are in.
Kyle, you gotta stay on that arm. Keep attacking. Stay tough. Short time, stay tough.
Short time. Don't let him score.
Finish on top. Finish on top.
Don't let him go.
Good job. Kyle, your choice. You. Get to your shot. Get to your shot. Let's set it up now. Set it up.
Yep. Good. Let's work it. Scoop it. Good.
Pull it back. Drag it back. Yep.
Easy.
Squeeze, Kyle. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Miller time.